Welcome to Dunder Data Pandas Challenge number 13. These are daily exercises to challenge your Pandas skills. Take all of the challenges at python.dunderdata.com. Let's read in our employee data set here and then read the challenge, which is to find the percentage of each sex by department, round to the nearest 10th place. So we're going to look inside of each department and find the breakdown of sex. And show it as a percentage. Let's go ahead and look at the solution here just to see what it is. All right, so here is the final solution. Looks like a pivot table of department in one column and sex in the other. So let's see if we can create that. And the way to do this is actually with the crosstab function. So crosstab is a way to do counting, really, of two particular variables, how frequently they appear together. So the way you do this is you have to set an index and a columns. So say df of the department, that'll go down the index. And then for the columns, we put df of sex like that. So this will return a count. Let's go ahead and look at this. And we can see here that this is the raw count. And the way to turn this into a percentage, we're going to press Shift Tab here, and we're going to see this normalize parameter. And so that'll normalize it. And we're going to normalize it across the department, which is the index. So if we put in the string index, it will normalize it like that. So we're getting close over here. We need to turn this into a percentage where it's rounded to the 10th place. So we're going to round it to 3 decimal places. Let's look at that, and then we'll multiply it by 100 to get the correct solution like that. So the way to do this is do a crosstab with the department and the sex, normalize going across, which is by the index over here, and then call the round method and then multiply by 100. All right, so let's double check that both those data frames are equal, and they are. Okay, so that's how you do number 13.
If you enjoyed this challenge and would like to learn more, then come check out my books and courses at dunderdata.com. I provide a comprehensive path for mastering both Python and Pandas to produce trusted results. Below I have a few of my courses. Exercise Python will teach you the fundamentals of Python. Master Data Analysis with Python is an extremely comprehensive course that will teach you everything there is to know about using the Pandas library to do data analysis. And then my newest course is Build an Interactive Data Analytics Dashboard with Python, which is a really fun and exciting course and teaches you all the steps for launching your very own dashboard with Python.